your sink, you got a dual farmhouse sink with your grate here for drying your dishes, cutting, whatever you need to do. Underneath your sink, plenty of storage, also access to your plumbing. My favorite part about the camper is going to be, first, the TV resides in the little cabinet there. So if you're in motion or don't want it down, plop your switch, as well as down. Additionally, this camper is equipped with full automatic blackout curtains. These are all controlled the same way as the TV. I'm going to take a midday nap. You got plenty of as well as going up. The only ones that are not powered are going to be your bedrooms, the master bedroom, the lofts, and the bathroom. Okay. Going into the bathroom, it is a large bathroom. Beautiful walk-in shower. Plenty of storage under your sink. Toothbrushes. Good mirror, plenty of storage beside your sink, full depth compartments, as well as your fuse box for all your electrical. Also included is a washer and dryer hookup, or washer and dryer that they come with the camper, as well as your exhaust fit. Open that up. Fully openable, that's a word, window, multifunction shower and heads. We do not have the water on right now or hooked up.